Hello friends, we are back with another video and here we have drawn different colors, circular pattern on top of this white sheet, and after filling the colors and spreading this shapes around it, this is how we have made such a lovely colorful cartoon face or dragon faces here. And according to our wish, we can draw and design our own dragon who is jumping out of joy, and this is how all are in some birthday party, and they all are enjoying among themselves. Next we are taking this orange color as well as other colors and trying to fill this nice cloudy shape over here, and this is how we have spreaded several other designs so that it makes a nice cloudy flower look. And this is how we can decorate with the help of other colors and make this flower a real one. Now we are trying to draw with the help of crayons, and this is the face that we have drawn and this is the eyes that we have made. Now this is how we can give looks and make our nice lion look over here and give the hairs to it using the colors that you wish to, and this is how a lovely look we have created using this crayons. And below that we can give the shape and make something like a nice lion. Now we are taking the real leaf, and this is how we are trying to paste it around and give this nice color look on top of the sleeve. Different colors we have tried and we have cut it out so that after pasting it looks like this. Now we are making another thing with the help of crayon color, and this is the color that we have taken, which is same as that of a giraffe, and this is how we can decorate our giraffe with the help of this other colors. And it's another small giraffe in front of this big giraffe, and now we have designed the trees around it with the help of other colors, and this is how giraffe is ready. Now we are taking other colors of crayons so that we can design our own fishes over here, and this is how we have made such a lovely fishes around this nice river. Now we are taking this candies looks, and this is how we are creating our own ice cream with the help of different colors that we are using, and this is how we have filled it around so that we can create our own yummy ice cream over here. And it's the strawberry ice cream, similarly other flavors ice cream. Now we are trying to make some face like this, and this is how we have made other faces over here and colored it out further. And upon spreading it like this is how we are creating something different pattern over here, and we are designing the hens with the help of other colors and making our own bird look here. And this is how yellow ducks or birds look is ready, and the grasses can be spread around, and this is how it will look so nice. Now we are taking another color, and this is how we are trying to make a nice dragon look, and we are designing our own dragon. This is how we are giving patterns as well as coloring the entire dragon look so that our dragon looks something like this green color dragon. And this is how we have created a nice zigzag here in this nice dragon, and here we can create more patterns and make it a real one. And this is the bird which is sitting on top of this dragon. Now we are trying to make another pattern here. This is the sun that we have drawn so that it looks like a nice flower, and here we are trying to create another flower look with the help of the other colors. And this is how we have created such a different kind of flower in this nice white sheet and spreaded the leaves around it.